Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. In the last class, we had discussed the different types of simple permanent tissue. Today, we'll be discussing epidermis. So let us see where this epidermis is found, how is it formed, etc. Observe this picture. Look at the topmost layer and the lowermost layer. It is formed of a single layer of cells called epidermis. You can note the upper epidermis and the lower epidermis. It is actually the protective layer that protects all parts of the plant, like the leaf, stem, root, and all the parts of the plant. Let us see what are the characters of epidermal cells. The epidermis forms the outermost layer of the cells. Usually, it is made up of a single layer of cell. The entire plant's surface is covered by epidermis, as I said earlier. It forms a continuous layer without intercellular spaces. It is forming a continuous layer because it is a protective layer, so there should not be any gaps. The cells that form the epidermis are relatively flat. Often, the outer and side walls of the cell are thicker than the inner wall. Now, the cells of epidermis have some changes when it comes to different parts of the plant. That is, we can see modifications in epidermis in the different parts of the plant like in leaf, stem, root, etc. Let us see what are they. On the aerial parts of the plant, the aerial parts means the part of the plant that is in contact with the air, that is the upper part. The aerial part of the plant, the epidermal cells secrete a waxy water-resistant layer on the outer surface, which helps in protecting against loss of water, mechanical injury, and invasion by some organisms like fungi. In the epidermis of the leaf, there are small pores called stomata here and there. Look at the structure of stomata. They are enclosed by two kidney-shaped cells which are called guard cells. Now, what are the functions of stomata? The first one is the exchange of gases with the atmosphere. Exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. You might be remembering what is transpiration, the process by which excess water in the plant is lost in the form of water vapor. This transpiration also occurs through stomata. The epidermal cells of root have long hair-like structures. Do you know what is the function of root? Yes, it is to absorb water. These long hair-like structures help in increasing the surface area of absorption. In desert plants, the epidermis has a thick waxy coating of cutin. Cutin is a chemical substance which has the quality of waterproof. In desert plants, it helps to prevent the water loss from the leaf surface. You know that in deserts it is extremely hot, so it helps the plants to save water. Now, as the plants get older, the outer layer of epidermis in the stem of the plant is replaced by secondary meristem. The cells which are later formed on the outside are cut off from this layer. This forms several layer thick cork or bark of the tree. Look at the picture on the left side to know what is the bark of a tree. Now let us see the features of cork cells. The cells in cork are dead and compactly arranged without intercellular spaces. There is a chemical called suberin which is deposited on the walls of the cell, which makes them impervious to gases and water. Impervious means it does not allow gases or water to pass through.